Today we have here with us Colonel Raman Jairath, and he's a wonderful person. I know him since quite now long time, and he's a kind of person who has positive attitude. And with that positive attitude, he's so energetic and a very vibrant person. He's a great achiever and a very successful entrepreneur. So he'll be sharing his views with all of us after we complete the session, and also in between, he'll be giving us his insights. So we all look forward to your sharings, Bhaiya, and I call him Bhaiya. So, and also it is such a wonderful feeling I have here that you could make it today here. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, all of you. Thank you, all of you. I think once you go through the session, then maybe I will, whatever is my participation or learnings in life, I
Yes.
would share.
Yes, sure, we are sure. We look forward to. But still, you have to be little close to the mic. I think it's not so audible. So
Now, can you hear me?
yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so welcome everyone to this wonderful, magical journey where we start living a life full of happiness. Yesterday's topic was about how we can achieve our magnificent outcome through the power of gratitude. Because this is very important in our life, that being grateful for whatever we have in our life. And today's topic, yesterday we had a lot of sharings, and if we have any more of sharings, please do share. Or we start with the chapter today. It is about before our very eyes. It talks about that whatever situation we have in our life, how can we be grateful and be positive with that positive note? We keep doing what we are supposed to do. Because ऐसा होता है कि अक्सर हम लोग तभी खुश होते हैं जब हमें कुछ मिलता है, जब कोई बात बनती है, तभी हम खुश होते हैं. Otherwise, we are always stuck in the past. Otherwise, we always feel that this is not happening, and then so many things are not according to our, what we want to really. But how we can achieve our dreams by the power of attitude of gratitude. So this is how what we are going to learn today. Please with the chapter, and please ask questions and do share your views and suggestions. So it would be an interactive session. And who would like to read today?
I want to read.
Okay, Sandeep is going to read. Sandeep, please be loud.
Yes, ma'am.
Day 22, before your very eyes. So just like here, we can see that this is a hat from which so many things can come. This is a magical hat of the magician. Similar is the world of the universe that we are going to understand today. Yes, please.
Ma'am, I can't see anything.
Okay, let me tell you.
Sandeep has yet to come on video.
Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Before your very eyes. This world, after all our science and sciences, is still a miracle, wonderful, inscrutable, magical, and more to whosoever will think of it. Thomas Carlyle, writer and historian.
So can
Seven.
anyone tell me the meaning? You can Google it. What is the meaning of inscrutable?
Uh,
You can search or you can.
Beyond scrutiny.
Search quickly on Google's.
Yeah. What is it? Ingita, you were saying something?
Beyond scrutiny. I mean, I didn't Google.
Yes. Or any other word?
Let us Google it now.
Yeah, okay. There are many words which you will be able to
ma'am,
find similar to this. It talks
ma'am, what is
about
the
being.
synonym?
Yes.
What what could be the synonym of it?
It is another synonym is mysterious.
Okay.
So this
Mysterious
world,
world.
yeah, this world is so mysterious. It's magical.
Impossible to
Magical.
understand or interpret.
You cannot interpret. It
It
cannot.
says it's
Unpredictable.
It is so unpredictable. Absolutely. See the beauty of the words which have been chosen here by the writer. So just like मतलब क्या होता है कि अभी इतनी सारी हमने हमने ज्ञान इकट्ठा करा इतने सालों में, बट फिर भी बहुत सारी ऐसी चीजें हैं, बहुत सारे ऐसे वर्ड्स हैं इस अर्थ में जो अभी तक हम सॉल्व ही नहीं कर पाए. देयर सो मेनी मिस्ट्रीज येट टू बी
Yes,
सॉल्व.
ma'am. Yes. Yes. Ma'am.
Like there is, for example, there is a world of water. It is said that the world of water, more than 70% is still unraveled, and less than 30% is only what we have discovered. तो भी बहुत कुछ है world of ocean में. It has its own world, and water is the symbol of abundance. Just like there is another example here, the first page which talks about this. If you see, you
A
can see
rabbit.
that there is a magician hat, and
A
from the
rabbit
hat
is.
so many things are coming. You don't know,
Yeah.
what will come. So similarly, we don't know what's there in this universe for us. It is so unpredictable. It is so mysterious. Just like just like there are many things. हमें लगता है कि अगर we are stuck somewhere and we are not able to get to what we are going to achieve in our lives, तो हमें लगता है कि हम stuck हो गए, and we are stuck in our past. We feel that there is no now going further. आगे तो कोई रास्ता ही नहीं है. That is because we still feel that हम कुछ हमें रास्ता दिखाई नहीं देता. But there is so much in the universe, so much abundance for us to explore, and we can only explore it through the power of believing in it. That is the attitude of gratitude, and that is the law of attraction, which talks about that when you believe in something, some miracle happens and things start falling just in place. और आपको बहुत सारे सॉल्यूशन दिखने लग जाते हैं जो एकदम से आपने सोचे ही नहीं होते, बिकॉज आपका फोकस अपने पास्ट में या अपनी प्रॉब्लम से हटके आपका फोकस आ जाता है सॉल्यूशन पर, आपका फोकस आ जाता है प्रोबेबिलिटी पर. सो व्हाट हैपेंस इज दैट यू फाइंड searching for solutions with that positive thought. So the only criteria is focusing on the positive thinking matter. Please continue.
7 years ago, when I first discovered the secret and the magical power of gratitude, I made a list of all of my desires. It was a long list. At that time, there seemed to be no possible way my desires could come true. Nevertheless, I took my top 10 desires and carried them with me on a piece of paper every day. Whenever I had an opportunity, I would take out my list and read through it, giving as much gratitude for each desire as I could, as though I had received it. With my number one desire, the desire I wanted more than anything else, I kept it constantly in my mind, and I would say the magic words, thank you, for it multiple times in a day, and feel as if it had come true. One by one, every desire on my list magically appeared before my eyes. As I received my desire, I would cross them off my list, and when I had new desire, I would add them to my list.
Okay, so like उसको जो भी desire, this is about the author Rhonda Byrne. So whenever she got her desire fulfilled, she used to cross them like we did on the day one, writing your dreams, 10 dreams. तो जब एक dream अगर किसी का पूरा हो गया, you can cross it and write your next dream so that it gets fulfilled. Yes, please.
One of my desires from my original long list was to travel to Bora Bora near Tahiti. After spending a beautiful week at the exact place in Bora Bora I had listed, another beautiful thing happened. I was flying to the mainland of Tahiti on my way home when the airplane stopped en route to pick up passengers. The flight had been empty, but it filled to the brim with native Tahitians and suddenly laughter, smiling faces, and a happiness that was palpable surrounded me.
Okay, so what happened is that there is a movie called Moana. It's on Tahitian culture. So I think it's an animated movie, and they live in Bora Bora. It is near Bora Bora Island. So they follow a culture of gratitude. Just like there is a culture of French people, they follow French culture and they speak French. Similarly, there is a culture of Tahitians. They follow this culture of being grateful for whatever they use to whenever they meet somebody and whenever they touch something. So they say thank you. They follow this culture. And it so happens is that when you follow a culture in a community, तो क्या होता है community learning is always better, it's always faster because you learn in a group. So when you learn in a group, it is the best kind of learning, like what we are learning here today. We inspire each other and we learn from others. So that is the best way. So example here given is from Tahitians who are very happy people. They're always joyful and cheerful. Because if you're being grateful, you cannot be sad. You cannot be ungrateful at the same time. Being grateful is a virtue. It's a positive thinking. You can either please mute yourself. You can either be grateful or you can be desperate. So when you are being grateful, you are happy always. That is the power of being grateful. Yes, please.
As I enjoyed the short flight with these beautiful people, it became crystal clear to me the reason why they were so happy. They were grateful. They were grateful to be alive. They were grateful to be on the airplane. They were grateful to be with each other. They were grateful for where they were going. They were grateful for everything. I could have stayed on that plane and traveled around the world with them. It felt so good to be with them, and it struck me that I had just received my final desire. Bora Bora was the last desire on my original long list, and reason I was on that plane was before my eyes. Gratitude.
Okay, so what is the meaning of this? That Bora Bora, it's an island, was the last desire on my original long list, and the reason I was on that plane was before my very eyes. Gratitude. मतलब उन्होंने ये महसूस करा कि जो उन्होंने डिजायर्स और जो उन्होंने अपने ड्रीम्स लिखे थे उसमें बोरा बोरा भी था and that it was really she was experiencing it, she was in the plane, so like it was living her dreams. So that is what the main idea of this chapter is, that you start living your dreams, start believing that they are very much in front of your eyes, and have that positive attitude that yes, you are going to receive it and yes, it is happening, and you experience the kind of feelings you will experience at the moment when you start receiving what you want. And the very idea, the very reason she's saying is because of gratitude. तो जब हम शुक्राना के मोड में होते हैं, we start creating more situations to be grateful for, और हमें और वैसी सिचुएशन मिलती हैं जो हम जिस सिचुएशन में हम ग्रेटफुल फील करते हैं. दैट इज द पावर ऑफ फीलिंग ग्रेटफुल, दैट इज द पावर ऑफ एटीट्यूड ऑफ ग्रैटिट्यूड. यस प्लीज.
I have shared this story as an inspiration for you because no matter how big your desires seem to be, you can receive them through gratitude. Even more than that, gratitude will bring a joy and happiness for life that you have never felt before, and that is truly priceless. From the time I began using gratitude and the law of attraction to the time I received my final desire on my original list was 4 years. To give you an idea of the enormousness of receiving all my desires in that amount of time, when I created my desire list, my company was $2 million in debt, and I had 2 months before I would be forced to shut it down and would lose my home and everything I owned. The money I owed on my personal credit cards was a small fortune, and yet on my desire list was to own a big house overlooking the ocean, to travel to exotic places in the world, to have paid all my debts, to expand my company, to restore my every relationship to the best it could be, improve the quality of my family's lives, to be 100% healthy again, and I have unlimited energy and excitement for life, along with the usual list of material things. And my number one desire, which seemed like an absolute impossibility to many of the people around me, was to bring joy to millions of people through my work.
Yeah. So that is all also my ambition, to bring joy to millions of people, many people.
Yes,
So, like here, she is a beautiful example of how she was in debt, और कैसे उन्होंने डेट में होते हुए भी she imagined, she really visualized having received all that which she has now. मतलब आपको अगर याद होगा previous chapters we talked about, she wrote herself that she had very few cutlery with her, just few forks and plates and a desk and a very small room on rent which she had, and how now she is one of the most successful women on this planet. That is, she's saying, is because of her visualization. So this chapter talks about the technique of visualizing. This chapter talks about how you can achieve what you want to through the power of being grateful, and through your visualization that you are living your dream. You can achieve what you want to by being grateful and by being positive, with the attitude of positivity and gratefulness. Yes, please.
the very first desire that I received was bringing joy to millions of people through my work. The rest of my desires magically followed, and one by one, as they appeared before my eyes, I crossed them off my list. So now it's your turn to use gratitude's magical power to make your desires appear before your very eyes. At the start of the day, take your top 10 desires list that you created, read through each sentence and desire on your list, and for 1 minute, imagine or visualize that you have received your desire. Feel as much gratitude as you can, as if you have it now. Carry your desire list with you today in your pocket on at least two occasions in the day. Take out your list, read through it, and feel as much gratitude for each one as you can, as though you have received it. If you
Okay.
want your
तो
desire,
आपको क्या करना है, आपने अपने ड्रीम्स को विजुअलाइज करना है विद ग्रैटिट्यूड एंड द पॉजिटिव फीलिंग. जैसे आप उसको हासिल कर चुके हैं, आपको उसको फील करना है, और फिर उसमें डेस्परेशन नहीं होनी चाहिए, फिर उसमें कुछ ऐसी फीलिंग नहीं होनी चाहिए नेगेटिविटी की, फिर डाउट भी नहीं करना है उसमें कि पता नहीं मिलेगा कि नहीं मिलेगा. यू हैव टू सर्टेनली बिलीव इन दिस, that this is going to happen, and then you start creating that kind of positive environment around you. It is just like a person who is compared to a fragrant flower. जैसे एक ऑरा होता है हर एक का, कोई पॉजिटिविटी स्प्रेड करते हैं उस ऑरा में, और आपको बहुत अच्छा लगता है उनके साथ, बिकॉज दे स्प्रेड दैट पॉजिटिविटी अराउंड, जस्ट लाइक अ फ्रेग्रेंट फ्लावर. दूर से ही आप पहचान लेते हैं कि यहाँ पर कोई फूल है, कोई फ्लावर है. So that is the aura they create, and that is only possible when you are continuously practicing it. Because एक दिन करने से और फिर उसके बाद आप नहीं करेंगे तो फिर नहीं होगा. You have to continue believe in it and keep on doing practice till the time you receive it. Yes, please.
if you want your desires to come more quickly, I would highly recommend that you carry your desire list with you in your wallet or purse from this day forward. And whenever you have time, open it up, read through it, and feel as much gratitude as you can for each one. When your desires appear before your very eyes, cross them off your list and add more. And if you like me, each, and if you are like me, each time you cross a desire off your list, you will be in tears of joy because what seemed impossible was made possible through the magical power of gratitude.
Okay. So, like whatever is impossible can be made possible through the magical power of gratitude. It is called magical because आप सोचते हैं कि ये तो impossible है, हो ही नहीं सकता, पर एकदम से हो जाता है. तब जब हो जाता है तब मन में आता है कि तो होना ही था, मेरे को तो पता ही था होना था. But you were, if you are doubtful, so it might take some time or it might not happen. Now, like during this lockdown period, everyone is understanding each other's feeling कि हाँ सब आजकल ऐसे टाइम ऐसा चल रहा है. So there is no herd instinct. Herd instinct मतलब सब एक दूसरे को समझ रहे हैं कि हाँ अभी ऐसा टाइम चल रहा है. So there is no comparison, there is no competition which is going on. You understand that yes, they may be feeling that way. तो उसमें क्या कर सकते हैं? उसमें ये कर सकते हैं that you need to understand where your focus has to be. If your intention is on the right thought, so you will, wherever the intention goes, the energy flows. That is a rule. So if the intention and the will is positive, your energy which will flow there would be positive, and everything is energy and vibration, as said by Nikola Tesla. He is one of the greatest scientists. He was a physicist जिन्होंने बहुत सारे laws बनाए. So he believed that everything is energy and everything is energy and vibration. तो vibration कैसे आती है? Feeling से. जब आप उसमें feelings, अपनी thought डालते हैं, अपनी intentions डालते हैं. जैसे there is an example like you go to the gym और वहाँ पर जो trainer होता है, the trainer tells you to put your intention, to put your focus on the muscle, because wherever you put your focus on, your muscle will expand. So similarly, when you put your focus on the positivity, when you put your focus on gratitude, you create, and you definitely create a situation where you attract more positivity. You start attracting the best that you are wishing for in your life because you are being grateful and you are focusing your attention on that rather than focusing on your attention on the problem. So you start focusing your attention on the solution. But initially, you may feel that there is some kind of negativity, और आपको हो सकता है just like आंवला शुरू में बहुत कड़वा लगता है, but with gradual power of your practice, you will get the positive outcome. You have to feel it and go for it. That is the best possible way, and there is no other possible way which will bring you happiness and positive result. Otherwise, again and again and again, you will keep continuing the situations which you are attracting in life. So let's focus our attention on the positive outcome and feel that you are living your dreams. Yes, please.
Magic practice number 22. Before your very eyes, count your blessings, make a list of 10 blessings, write why you are grateful, reread your list, and at the end of each blessing, say thank you, thank you, thank you, and feel as grateful for that blessing as you can. At the start of the day, take your top 10 desires list that you created. Read through each sentence and desire on your list, and for 1 minute imagine or visualize that you have received your desire. Feel as much gratitude feel as much gratitude as you can. Carry your desire list with you today in your pocket on at least two occasions in the day. Take out your list, read through it, and feel as much gratitude as you can. Just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and say the magic words, thank you for the best thing that happened during the day.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank
Thank
you,
you, ma'am.
Sandeep, for reading so wonderfully. Thank you. So you have to count your blessings 10 times, and you have to take out your desire list that you have created, read through each sentence and feel it for a minute, and you visualize it that you have received your desire. Start living your dream. And I have something to share on this, and then we will start with our sharings. Wonderful.
Yes, ma'am. The main motto of life is to be happy.
Is to be happy. Absolutely. Wonderful. So thank you, Manisha, for your share. Thank you, Vidhu. You can share, you can unmute and speak. But first, I would like Colonel Jarath, who is on this platform today, and he's a great entrepreneur, and he's a very, very successful person in his life on all walks of life. Like he has that positivity around him, which takes him everywhere, wherever he goes. So a cheerful and vibrant person. Welcome, Vaya, here. Please share your views and your insights about today's topic.
Thank you very much, Sangeeta. Uh, I, I would I would like to share the practical aspects of life. I do agree that what you are telling is theoretical, but it's very difficult for people to understand in simple layman's language, and Fauji's are best doing that.
Yes.
We always pick up threads of life in a simplicity, and then that is how we like to go about it.
Yeah.
First and foremost, for all human beings to understand that we are mortal. We have come for a particular time. We have to go through this passage, and we have to leave as we came. There is nothing that we carry except our deeds and happiness. I suppose that should be a very clear understanding by all. Now, coming to how do we go about? Initially, when we are young, when the child is born, there are parents who guide you and tell you. So your learnings are from your parents. The second learning comes through is your gurus, which is your school and your college. They teach you the practical aspects of life, which is in history and which is in mythology, or what is in, I would say, in religion. So they mix up and tell you as what life is there. And lastly is, after you are prepared and understood, you step into life to apply that. Apply to your capacity. Capacity means every human being knows his analysis as to how good or how weak or how average he is. It's not necessarily you have to be 10 upon 10. Every human being can be 10 upon 10. We have human beings 1 upon 10 and equally happy and successful. We have 10 upon 10 who have everything in life but yet not happy. So therefore, it is important to understand every human being is a gift of God, is a gift of his creation. And the nature around you is his creation that we have to live and enjoy with. So when you move up in life, you get opportunities, you have tough times, and you have to go by जितनी आपकी कैपेसिटी आप उसी में कर सकते हो, आप उससे ज्यादा नहीं. लाइक आई नो मैं प्रधानमंत्री नहीं बन सकता, आई नो मैं साइंटिस्ट नहीं बन सकता, मैं एक रॉकेट नहीं बना सकता, बट आई नो whatever I am good at, that I can participate and share it with the people around me and make them happy or solve their problems. So my request would be to everyone to understand your capabilities, and I believe every human being has 2 good qualities in him. They are not specific, and in which he or she is at the best. If you can identify those qualities and you pursue them, believe me, you will be an expert in that field. I've tried it with my child. I've tried it with myself. Like Sangeeta said, I'm a plain art student from a simple school, but successful and a simple infantry soldier. Headshot is my core competency in army. Sniper shot, what you call. Coming and tackling civil engineering company at the director level, then going into legal arbitration, and I'm sure I'll play my 4th inning into some business or other, which means life has an options all over. It is your capability where you can use it in those fields. So therefore, when you have those two good qualities, identify what you're good at, and whatever you're good at, please push it, please pursue them. Even if you find failures, don't give up. You move ahead, and as you succeed, now I will come to the main topic, the subject. Whenever you succeed and do well, that is the time gratitude sets in, happiness sets in, because it makes you feel happy. You have done well, you are known to people, there are people who like your company, there are people who are wanting to employ you for work, there are people who are ready to share with you. So therefore, when you go into this circle, it gets you happiness, and that is the time we must thank God for putting me on the right track, that I have reached a level where I am finding happiness in His creation, in His work, and with His surroundings of human beings, other creations around me. As and when you move up, another factor to remember is whenever you are happy and you grow in life, please learn to save for a rainy day. Now, what I mean by rainy day is, if you have all seen history, every 40, 50 years, there is a crisis. It could be a war, pardon me. It could be a war. It could be a failure of a government. It could be failing of the banks, or it could be health issues, which might take the, I would say, the trouble you in life. So when you are doing well and when you are happy, please save for a rainy day, which can last up to 4 to 5 years. All wars, 4 to 5 years. Pandemic, you will find them 4 to 5 years. Any sickness, 4 to 5 years. So please save that, because if you have something for a rainy day, even in your crisis, you will not feel let down. You will not feel unhappy. Rather, you will still feel grateful and thank God, you have given me wisdom because I have stood, I have catered for my emergencies, and I am able to sustain in your life. That is my second request to all the members. And lastly, I would say, in case you're doing well and there is a pandemic, please learn to consolidate any crisis, whether it is health issue. We have recent coronavirus coming in. In the past, our elders have seen various other sicknesses, whether it was plague, whether it was cholera, famine world over. There have been world wars have been there. Banks have been failing. Currencies have been failing. So therefore, whenever you have these things coming, problems coming, go low in life, consolidate, bring down your expenditures, try and make an effort to keep your levels of work, keep performing, keep meeting people, keep working, keep exercising so that you're healthy. And I'm sure it is a portion of time, 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, and you will again start moving up. So consolidation is a period of crisis. And when you are happy, you must save. And in happiness, like my friend Sandeep shared a lovely story, you must move out, enjoy the God's creation, share with people, laugh it out with people, and be good to them, and thank God for whatever it is. I would like to sum it up here, and I would love
Thank you.
other members.
Thank
Thank you.
you. Thank you so much, भैया. Wonderfully said.
Thank
Thank you so much,
Challenges तो
sir.
आएंगे लाइफ में, ऐसा नहीं है कि challenges नहीं आएंगे. But we have to keep on doing what we are supposed to do,
you. Yes, yes.
with the attitude of gratitude and with positivity, and plan it out for the future. Wonderfully
Yes.
explained, Bhaiya. Thank you so much. Thank you for being here. So,
I'm sure other members also
anyone
like,
would like to add? Hanji Bhaiya? Yes?
other members can also add. We would like to learn from them about
Yeah,
another
sure, sure. Please, this is an interactive session. Anybody would like to add here something, or any questions you would like to ask? Vidhu, you have to say something?
Uh, I like this point that Sir has told, that we have to save for the rainy day, which is very important. Sometimes the youngsters forget. I know I have children also, so this is a very, very important issue. I think we tend to go overboard sometimes. So save for the rainy day is a very good point. I really like that. And gratitude, as you say, of course, we have to be thankful. Even during this pandemic time, we have good health. We should be thankful for that.
Yes.
So I think we
Yeah,
have learned a lot, big lesson with this COVID,
yeah.
and we have whether it's
Vidhu has,
youngster or
Vidhu
older,
has
everybody is
another
learning.
share. Vidhu has another share, which Vidhu, if you would like to share now about the challenges which you face.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. See, this was a COVID time, and during this COVID time, I have a clinic in my basement. During the COVID time, also, I had a massive water pipe burst in my basement, and my clinic got completely ruined. This is COVID time plus my complete ruin. But for a while, I was a little bit depressed, but I said, no, I cannot just sit like this. So I kind of moved on, shifted my clinic to the first floor, started slowly. So we should not give up. I think you should be thankful that I feel great that I have a place to stay where I can do my work, not to the full extent, but So I think I'm very thankful to my father-in-law, my husband, who has supported me throughout. So I think we should be thankful. That's very, very important. We should not just sit like that and get depressed.
And you got all the support also. So that's
Yes,
so wonderful.
yes,
At this time, you got all the support.
And,
yes,
and she's happy. That is the best part.
She is
yes.
very happy, yes. And she is also a very positive person. That's what I like about her.
Yes, I like to enjoy my life every day. I mean, no matter what I feel, I'm healthy. I have my family with me.
And
I have a house to stay.
I would like to add here that when I started doing this, what I'm doing now, the classes, I thought of doing it. I was a bit apprehensive, but the kind of support I'm getting from everywhere. मतलब मैं जिससे भी बात कर रही हूँ, everyone is very supportive, very positive about it, and they have their shares, and all the positive shares are coming. I'm really very blessed, I feel.
Yes,
Coming on
with
this
this.
platform and sharing with all of you, learning with all of you, it's a wonderful opportunity for me also.
Thank you, Sangeeta. We have come to.
And it's always great connecting with all of you. It's so wonderful. So, Ingita, if you would like to add something to this, because she wanted to speak.
Including any personal experiences for somebody who's gone through, it will be welcome.
Yeah, I think Ingita, if you are there.
I am here, but I don't have any personal experience as such. But I feel what you're saying is, like concentrating on positives and not to think about negatives, like Vidhu just said. We tend to look at negatives generally, but during the session, actually, our thinking is changing. So I'm really grateful that I'm here, and listening to Colonel Saab also is very good, very motivating. And yeah, it's a great session. Thank you so much.
Thank you for being here. Anyone else would like to add something, Sandeep? And Taran, if you would like to share something.
Not yet, darling.
Yeah. Okay. Manisha, if you would like to add. Okay. Or we conclude today's session. And hope you all had a great time being here. I really enjoyed today's session being here. And see you all next time. We conclude today's chapter. Thank you. Thank you so much for joining.
Thank you, Sangeeta,
Thank
for
you,
such a
Bhaiya.
wonderful session.
Yeah, thank you,
It
Bhaiya.
Thanks,
was great
Sangeeta.
being with you. Thank you.
Special thanks to Colonel Jairat for joining here.
Yes, special thanks. It was a real nice thing to hear. Yes. Thank you,
We
sir.
look forward to more
Thank you all of
you
you.
here. Yeah.
Thank you,
Thank
sir, for
you.
sharing such a
Thank
beautiful
you, sir.
thoughts.
Very
Thanks a
beautiful
lot.
thoughts.
And
Thank
Sangeeta, keep doing well and keep motivating everyone.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Bhaiya. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
And you rock, Sangeeta. You're doing so well. We all look forward to your sessions.
Thank you, dear. Thank you, Manish.
Thank you. Thank you.
Great connecting with all of you. Okay, so we conclude today's session. Take care. Love you all. Bye-bye.
Bye bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye.